We are going to see an app called ATM Cash Machine Simulator. It looks like this, and in this app, they kind of simulate how the feeling that you feel when you're withdrawing money from an ATM. Okay, so a simulator means it's not a real ATM. Okay, so let's see how you use it. So when you open it, they'll tell you, please insert your banking card. So you click on the card. So it goes into the machine. Then it say, please select an option, withdraw money. So let's kind of first check the account balance. So the account balance 245. I think that's the default they give an account. So yeah, so let me click on back. So you just have to follow the kind of instructions on your or the screen, okay? The app kind of sometimes I think glitches, but yeah. Let me cross this ad. As you play the game, there will be a lot of ads, and some of them you can't really actually skip them, but you just have to. Let me try to click this skip ad. Let me cross this. So you press in the card, click on withdraw. You can put in any password. I think everything can work. This is just actually a simulation. So we can select maybe $2,000. Please take your cash. You click on your cash. So that is it. Let me click on print receipt. Please take your receipt. Then you click on the receipt. And that is it, okay? So the app actually just does that. The money that you actually get doesn't really go to your bank. So, and for some reason, actually, people are fan of using it, okay? So this is more of a simulation. Simulation means it's not real. Simulator, so simulator means actually they're simulating. So this is just a simulation to give you the feel of withdrawing dollars for some of you who have no dollar accounts, okay? So see you in the next video, and bye-bye.